The Little Book That Beats the Market by Joel Greenblatt. Welcome to yourbooksummary.com. The magic formula: before deciding if you should buy or sell a company's stock, you should look at how well the company is making money. It's hard to predict the future, but you can still figure out if a company is good or not. One way to do this is by checking the company's return on capital, which is how much profit they make compared to the money they have invested. This lets you compare different types of businesses. For example, a donut company and a steel company may have different products, but they both need money to operate. Generally, it's better to invest in companies with a high return on capital, as they tend to do well in the long run. I hope you found the information about The Little Book That Beats the Market by Joel Greenblatt. If you're interested in learning more about the book, stay tuned for the next part of this series where we'll dive into the next section. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.